Welcome to Hello Conversations.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please have a seat. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what's wrong?
I have a fever, a headache, and my throat hurts.
I see. When did these symptoms start?
About 2 days ago.
Do you have any other symptoms, like a cough or body aches?
Yes, I feel very tired, and my body aches a little.
Have you taken any medicine so far?
Yes, I took some paracetamol for the fever, but it didn't help much.
All right. Let me ask you a few more questions. Have you been in contact with anyone who's sick recently?
Yes, a coworker was sick last week.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Let me check your temperature and blood pressure. Your temperature is 101 degrees Fahrenheit, and your blood pressure is normal. From your symptoms, it looks like you have a viral infection, possibly the flu.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious, but you need to rest and take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water, eat light meals, and avoid heavy work.
Should I stay at home?
Yes, it's better to stay home for a few days to recover and avoid spreading the infection to others.
What medicine should I take?
I'll prescribe an antiviral for the flu, something for the headache, and a throat lozenge. Take the antiviral once a day, the painkiller twice a day after meals, and the lozenge whenever your throat feels sore.
Should I come back for a checkup?
If your symptoms don't improve in 3 days, or if your fever gets worse, come back immediately.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel